Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a time when you visited a friend at their workplace. You should say who you visited, where this person worked, why you visited this person's workplace, and explain how you felt about visiting this person's workplace.
One time, I visited my friend at her workplace. She works as a graphic designer in a small design studio located in the city. I decided to visit her at her workplace because I had not seen her for a while and I wanted to catch up with her in person. Additionally, I was curious to see where she worked and what her job involved. When I arrived, she introduced me to her colleagues and gave me a tour of the design studio. I was impressed by the creative environment and the variety of projects they were working on. I could see that she was passionate about her work, and it was inspiring to see her in her element. During my visit, she also showed me some of her design projects and explained the process behind each one. I found it fascinating to see how her creativity and skills were utilized to create visually stunning designs. Overall, I had a great time visiting her workplace. It was interesting to see the inner workings of a design studio and to gain a better understanding of what she does on a daily basis. I also enjoyed spending time with my friend and catching up with her. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.